Ideal Standard is one of the leading manufacturers in bathroom solutions for residential, commercial and healthcare sectors. We employ about 9,500 people with production sites in 17 countries, and we distribute our products in over 60 countries spread in Europe, but Africa and Middle East as well. So Business Space came up with a strategy and a timeline that was respected all along, and I must say that the results really exceeded our expectations. Not only did we get a very positive financial outcome, which is very important, but also we kept our break options, so we could exit at defined times, and we wouldn't have gone without that. So this was really successful deal. We also, in the end, didn't move, which the continuity for the business was also secured. So super positive outcome. This was really great. Actually, we gave them additional missions.